Right now we're doing COVID antibody testing. We're doing IgG serology testing. So this is a test which tells us and the physician if a patient has been exposed to COVID-19. This is actually a test which is not telling you if you are sick. This is telling you if you'd had some exposure in the past. So these machines have a very high throughput. Currently, we have the reagents and the instruments to do about 500,000 a month. Now, the logistics of that would be incredibly difficult, but our machinery, our instrumentation has that capacity. This test that we're running is actually FDA approved. There's a lot of tests on the market right now that are not, but Abbott did go through the painstaking process of getting FDA approval.
Being antibody positive is not really informing you whether it's okay to go back to work. Because the vast majority of Americans are not going to be antibody positive, certainly not down in Texas. And it may become relevant because, if you're antibody positive, you may not need to be vaccinated. Vaccines available. But for right now, I don't see antibody testing as is not a priority.
I believe that if an individual is positive for antibodies, that it gives them some confidence that they can re-enter society, that they do have some type of immune resistance. Now, I think that that's different for everyone. If someone has comorbidities or they have some type of underlying disease, I think they should still be very careful right now. But I believe it will give some confidence to some individuals. But again, that is up for them and their physician to discuss and to make that decision.